Letter number 54. To Talha and Zubair, through Imran ibn Hussein Khuzai. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Now, both of you know, although you conceal it, that I did not approach the people till they approached me, and I did not ask them to swear allegiance to me till they themselves swore allegiance to me, and both of you were among those who approached me and swore me allegiance. Certainly, the common people did not swear me allegiance under any force put on them, or for any money given to them. If you too swore allegiance to me obediently, come back and offer repentance to Allah soon, but if you swore allegiance to me reluctantly, you have certainly given me cause for action, by showing your obedience and concealing your disobedience. By my life, you were not more entitled than other Muhajirin to conceal and hide the matter. Your refusing allegiance before entering into it would have been easier than getting out of it after having accepted it. You have indicated that I killed Osman, then let someone from among the people of Medina who supported neither me nor you decide the matter between me and you. Then one of us shall face the command of law, according to their involvement. You should give up your way now. O you two elderly men, when the great question before you is only one of shame, before you face the question of shame coupled with the hellfire, and that is an end to the matter.